How to cancel a scheduled payment in Wells Fargo. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to the channel. And in this video we will learn how we can cancel a scheduled payment in Wells Fargo. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, launch the Wells Fargo and make sure that you're logged into your account. From your home page, or once you land on this kind of interface, navigate to the menu bar at the bottom. There is pay in transfer option, so tap on pay in transfer option. So after you do that, you'll be taken in this interface where you have 4 different options. So in order to cancel your scheduled payment, tap on the option that says pay bills. Under bill pay, you'll see this kind of interface where you have 3 different tabs: all pays, need to pay, and all activity. So from there you have to select the payment that you have scheduled. After that, you'll be taken in this interface where you have all of your billing information, and if you navigate there's an option as recurring. So to cancel your scheduled payment, you have to tap on the recurring option. Again, you'll find this kind of interface with the series details under recurring. So in order to cancel your scheduled payment, there is an option as delete recurring, so you have to tap on it in order to cancel it. So tap on delete recurring, and on the next page you have to confirm it to delete it. So make sure that you follow all the instructions after it carefully, and once you confirm your deletion, you have cancelled the scheduled payment that you have selected in Wells Fargo. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.